How to get a Zelle QR code Bank of America. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. In order to get a Zelle code from your Bank of America app, first of all, you have to get logged into your Bank of America account. Then, once you're inside your account, you have to tap on Transfer and Pay. This shall be on your dashboard. Then select Send and Request Money with Zelle. Choose the square icon to the top of Manage Recipient. Your Zelle QR code will be displayed, and you have to select the Upload icon to share the code or print it from your device. And just like so, this is how you can get a Zelle QR code Bank of America. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.